Oh, he's leaving without us.
Brake doesn't have a switch on it. Yeah, the front brake's mechanical. The back one doesn't. Oh, okay.
All right, go fast. Our first ride in. Oh, he don't ride like you ride. He didn't fall down on the new tires. He's way down there now. Look at that. Oh, he can blow way in. Look at that. Super zoom. Oh, he rides like straight up and down and everything. Yeah, he don't fall down like you guys do over here. See, that's how you're supposed to take off on new tires. See? So we're doing a handlebar swap over here. All right. He'll be back. I can hear him somewhere. There he goes. He's back. How's it run? Compared to a 16, how's it run?
Oh, man, I'll tell you what, it's like riding an antique.
It is an antique.
It is an antique.
Yeah, it's
different than your new bike?
definitely. I mean, this isn't hitting Brimbos. Tell you what,
They don't
grab
stop?
this front brake and it's still kind of like an ornament. I mean, it needs to be broken in a little bit.
Yeah, well, after brakes in, it still don't work much.
Yeah, well,
How's the back one work? About the same as the front?
yeah, it works okay. It's
Clutch works good, I assume?
Yeah, I jumped on the freeway with it. You know, figured I'd see it.
Oh, you went full speed with these new tires. Oh.
Yeah, I wasn't going sideways with it, so.
Did it wobble a little bit down the road? Or
A little bit.
Not like it was though, right?
No. Better than it was, for sure.
All right.
Wobbling because of the tire?
Sorry?
Did it wobble because of the tire? The other tire?
I don't know. The old tires were dried and freaking, probably out of balance and everything else on them. But yeah, I mean, it cruised all right. I didn't take it far on the freeway. I just jumped on and back off.
Speed of work and all that?
It does to some extent. I mean, I wasn't paying that much attention to it.
You weren't watching this while you're going down the road?
Not so much, And then these mirrors, they leave something to be desired. They're smoked.
They don't vibrate, do they?
And they're not very tight.
I tightened them in the post up at least. I didn't tighten this part. I didn't know this part was loose. Well, that one's got a problem. You need to tighten it up.
Yeah, I know. Things I need to deal with.
You didn't do your flight check before you flew away?
No, apparently not.
Good thing you're not on an airplane. The wing would have fell off. Motor run good? Carburetor, all that working?
Seems good.
All right.
You want to take it for a drive?
Nope.
It's fine too. No, I need to,
We had a little bit of oil leak up in the front cover up there.
What's that now?
There was a little leak up in the front cover that looked like it's coming out in the middle of the pan cover there.
What about all that was draining out the back of it? Where's all that coming from?
Where, on this side? What?
Well, there a puddle up there? Did you see that puddle on the left?
No. There was a puddle.
Yeah, there was a, something like that.
Residue.
Okay. Could be residue, I guess.
There's residue in right now. That's probably coming out of the transmission or something else. You do know there is no main shaft seal in the inner primary, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, they go right through the bearing. There is no seal. It's probably where it's coming out of.
Antiques.
Yeah, they're not made to be oil tight. They're made to leak.
That's fine.
So somebody wanted to see the rear of the bike for some reason. Yep, there's the rear of the bike. So it wasn't smoking or anything that we noticed, so that's good. Didn't smoke here either.
Yeah, ran fine.
Is the oil still got oil in it maybe?
Sorry?
Should have oil in it still.
Well, we filled it up, didn't we?
Yeah, we filled it.
Much.
Yeah. All right, so you're good to go.
Yeah.
You'll put a 100-mile road trip on it next?
Well, maybe after I officially retire, I'll take some time to ride it around a little bit.
Get used to it. The tires will break in a little bit better once they...
Yeah, I know. I'll take some time and detail it, clean it all up. But,
Yeah.
it might be somebody else's bike. I'm not sure yet.
Look underneath the oil leak is on the tranny or if it's just out of the back of the primary.
All right.
Because there is no seal on that primary. It is it's a shielded bearing, not sealed. That means the shield slows down the oil as it goes past it. So it will leak out of that too. But other than that, it should be a slow leak. Why'd you move the seat all the way forward for, or halfway? That can mean you put it all the way in the back.
It seemed like that's where it wanted to sit, so that's where I put it. I mean, I can adjust it after the fact. If I might actually just put that buddy seat back on it. You know,
No, you don't like the good seat? You want to go backwards?
I'm not against the buddy seat.
Oh.
I mean, once it actually sits down, where I don't feel like I'm sitting on stilts.
Yeah. Well, it'll go down with one person on it.
Yeah.
The buddy seat allows you to move back and forth quite a bit, so you get comfortable. Whereas this locks you in.
Right.
So there's a difference between the two.
And I actually was more comfortable sitting forward on the seat than I was sitting back on it. So.
Well, you can go forward another.
I know I can. We have those options.
We have 3 adjustments in the middle one. All right, well, that's it for the road test. It appears to be road testing okay. There you go.